NASA scientists are seeking a new framework for alien life. NASA scientists are looking for a new framework for finding alien life. This article was led by NASA Chief Scientist Jim Green. The group said creating a scale for assessing and combining different evidences helps provide a context of findings related to the search for life. In addition, scientists provide sample scale as a starting point for discussions among those who would use it, though they imagine what they got from decades of experience. Green and the team used NASA's Technical Readiness Level Scale as an example. NASA scientists suggest having a scale to contextualize the importance of new results related to this search. Having such a scale helps us understand where we are, in terms of exploring life in a particular location, and in terms of mission capabilities. At the first level of the scale, scientists report hints of signs of life. The first detection is supplemented with information on whether the environment in question is life-sustaining and can exclude non-biological sources at level 4, and additional independent detection is required to reach level 5. Level 6 includes future observations that rule out the proposed alternative hypothesis following the initial publication, the authors say. Level 7, the highest level of scale, includes independent follow-up of predicted biological behavior in the environment in question. In each measurement, we learn more about both biological and non-biological planetary processes, said Mary Voy, co-author of the study and head of NASA's astrobiology program. The search for life beyond the Earth requires widespread participation from the scientific community in different types of observations and experiments. NASA said science is all a process that involves astrobiology, and scientists can create and improve the technology needed to find the signs of life on Earth.